In today's urban safari, a daring squirrel challenges the steel giant to a duel of wits. For 5 thrilling seconds, it ponders life's great mysteries, then darts off, leaving us in awe. Who knew crossing the road could be such an epic adventure? Behold the Miata, the nimble dancer of the asphalt stage. A quick cut, a brake tap tease, then a swift sidestep into the left lane. It's the urban jungle's tango, folks. Blink, and you'll miss this highway ballet star. Welcome to the off-ramp shuffle, where precision meets panic. Watch as our first contender performs a daring swoop to exit stage right. Almost simultaneously, an incoming rival executes a swift lane dance to stay on course. It's a ballet of bypassers, folks, a real freeway fandango. As the great freeway chess match unfolds, our protagonist faces a dilemma. The exit looms, but an adversary blocks the path. With grace and a bit of cheek, our hero accelerates, overtaking the slow mover, only to swoop in front and claim the exit ramp prize. A masterful move in the high-speed game of lanes, leaving us in awe of the artful exit. Wide at the light, and then, wham! Car from the right zooms past the red. No brakes, just boldness. A true traffic enigma, folks. On today's freeway journey, what's this? A barbecue grill marooned in the fast lane, awaiting its next cookout. An unexpected invite to a highway feast, perhaps? Keep your eyes peeled and burgers ready, folks. It's not your usual roadblock. Tranquility on the turnpike takes a twist as a speedster lunges from the sideline, sparking a chain of chaos. Caught in the commotion, our driver's forced to dance left into the turn lane. A breathless ballet of bumpers, folks. Stay alert, the road's full of surprises. Cruising along the freeway ribbon when out of the blue, an unexpected guest joins the lane party. A truck, not alone, but with a companion in tow. A swift lane change, no formal invite sent, it seems. Always room for one more, but let's keep the introduction smooth next time. A tranquil drive takes a turn towards heart-stopping as a rogue truck barrels off the off-ramp, aiming for our lane. With split-second decision-making, it veers onto the shoulder, dodging a dance too close for comfort. Breathe in, breathe out. A reminder that on the road, expect the unexpected. On today's roadway adventure, a parked behemoth blocks the path. The scenes twist. A daring mail truck, swerving to bypass the blockade, veers into our lane. A heartbeat skip, wheels flirt with disaster, but calamity is averted. A reminder that even the mail's journey can be fraught with surprise detours. In today's episode of Highway Wonders, witness a spectacle of confidence. Or is it recklessness? A Dodge Challenger, sunroof open to the skies, glides into our lane. The driver, hands triumphantly in the air, no earthly connection to the wheel. A moment of disbelief, a silent plea for safety. On the road, expect the unexpected. But let's keep those hands where they belong, folks. Cruising at a brisk 80, we're in the fast lane, but not fast enough. An SUV streaks by, mocking physics and the law. But wait, the plot thickens as they zoom past a cop lying in wait. In a flash, the chase is on, and justice's siren call beckons. A reminder that speed thrills, but it also pulls over. Buckle up for safety and respect the limit, folks. Amid the rush hour's orchestrated chaos, a 1/2-ton truck takes to the shoulder, a cargo of elbow fittings in tow, precariously packed. One daring box teeters on the brink, a dance with gravity at 65 miles per hour. An open gate, an invitation to mayhem, as commuters cast wary glances, hoping for equilibrium to prevail. A single fitting on the edge challenges the laws of motion. Will it fall, or won't it? The freeway holds its breath. In the ballet of the freeway, our stage is set with an 18-wheeler, caught in a dance of indecision. From the brink of exit, it pirouettes. Across the shoulder, a daring cut before our very eyes, grazing the edge of fate at a parked vehicle's silent watch. A collective gasp from the audience of commuters, a moment suspended between calamity and relief. The Giant regains its course, leaving behind a trail of shaken nerves and the whispered thanks of those spared a closer encounter. As our wheels spin and hearts race through Atlanta's veins, we've witnessed the unpredictable, the close shaves, and the sheer luck that keeps us moving. But remember, every journey has its unseen turn. What lies ahead on our next drive? Stay tuned and drive safe.